getting a good storm. Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and wow. They were predicting rain. I got back this afternoon and there hadn't been any rain, so I didn't know how much rain there was going to be today. And I went out to my garden to put some water on the garden because everything was wilting. But can you hear that thunder? I just barely got out there and all of a sudden it just came down in deluge. I'll show you some stuff. See that lightning? Waiting for the thunder now. There it is. We're getting a good storm. This is much needed for our garden. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. But there's hail right there, and we started getting whacked. I mean, see how big those hail pieces are? I made it into underneath this overhang just before that stuff started hitting. So, wow, praise the Lord.